In a significant development, Hezbollah has reportedly acquired powerful Russian anti-ship missiles, amplifying its capability to fulfill wheeled threats against US warships, as hinted by its leader. Sources familiar with the group's arsenal emphasize the serious risks associated with any potential regional conflict. Join us as we delve into the details of the alarming update and the potential implications for the geopolitical landscape. Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah warned Washington last week. His group had something in store for the US vessels deployed to the region since war erupted last month between the Palestinian group Hamas and Israel, shaking the wider Middle East. Insiders in Lebanon, well versed with the arsenal of the Iran-backed group, reveal that the leader's reference pertains to Hezbollah's significantly bolstered anti-ship missile capabilities. Notably, the acquisition includes the Russian-made Yakhont missile, boasting an impressive range of 300 km or 186 miles. Reports from both media outlets and analysts have consistently indicated Hezbollah's possession of Yakhont missiles, obtained during its deployment in Syria over a decade ago to support President Bashar al-Assad in the civil war. Washington says its Mediterranean naval deployment, comprising 2 aircraft carriers and their supporting ships, aims to prevent the conflict from spreading by deterring Iran, which backs groups including Hamas, Hezbollah, and Palestinian Islamic Jihad. Hezbollah perceives US warships as a direct threat due to their potential impact on the group and its allies. In a recent speech, Nasrallah asserted that the presence of US warships in the Mediterranean does not intimidate Hezbollah, stating, "We have prepared for the fleets with which you threaten us." The White House responded, cautioning Hezbollah not to exploit the Hamas-Israel conflict, expressing a desire to prevent the escalation of the conflict into Lebanon. Sources suggest that Hezbollah's anti-ship capabilities, including the Yakhont missile, have significantly advanced since 2006, when the group first demonstrated its ability to strike a vessel at a sea. The use of such weapons by Hezbollah would indicate a potential escalation into a major regional war. The Pentagon has deployed warships to the eastern Mediterranean since October 7, when Hamas gunmen stormed Israel from the Gaza Strip. In an attack, Israel says killed 1,400 people. Israeli attacks on the Gaza Strip have killed more than 10,000 Palestinians since then, Palestinian officials say. Nasrallah warned Washington that preventing a regional war dependent on halting the Israeli assault. Hezbollah has been trading fire and Israeli forces at the Lebanese border since October 8th. That marks the most serious escalation there since the 2006 war. But Hezbollah had so far used only a fraction of its arsenal, and the violence has mostly been contained to the border areas. Other Iran-aligned groups such as Yemen's Houthis have also fired drones towards Israel, while Iran-backed Shiite Muslims militias have fired at US forces in Iraq and Syria. Asked about the sources, accounts of Hezbollah having acquired Yakhont missiles, Kremlin spokesperson Peskov said, "First of all, this is a news without any confirmation at all. We do not know if it is true or not. Secondly, we do not have such information." In a recent speech, Hezbollah leader Nasrallah issued one of its strongest warnings to the United States, referencing historical events such as 1983 suicide attack on the US Marines headquarters. Nasrallah hinted at group's responsibility for those attacks, emphasizing that those who defeated the US in Lebanon in the early 80s are still alive. Analysts, including Nasir Kandil, suggest that Hezbollah's acquisition of the Yakhont missile in Syria during its support for Assad has significantly bolstered its arsenal. Nasrallah, in rare comments in 2021, disclosed how the group obtained Russia-made Kornet anti-tank missiles, highlighting their use in the 2006 war and emphasizing Syria's role in the acquisition.